working on my 2009 Chevy Cobalt, and today I'm going to be replacing the ambient air temperature sensor. And here's one I have from one of my parts cars, and it's located right behind the driver's side headlight, and there's a plastic housing for the headlight, and that's located right behind that. So all you have to do is remove the housing, reach your hand behind, unplug it, and pull this part out. So one of the things it does is shows you the outside temperature when you have the car running. And instead of showing the temperature, it just has 3 dashes. So I'm going to replace the sensor, and that will definitely fix the problem, and it'll show the outside temperature. The car currently has 329,004 miles on it, and typically brand new, these parts only cost less than $10. So I will eventually just buy a brand new one, but because I have one from a parts car, I'm gonna slap this in real quick. So let me pop the hood. And this will only take a few minutes. So pop the hood. There are 2 10mm bolts to remove the headlight. And after you remove the bolts, you pull the headlight to the center, pull out the corner, and it just pulls out. This is a simple fix. It only takes less than 10 minutes. Pull the headlight forward to the side, and that just pulls right out. And there is the sensor right there. You can see like the little tip of it. And you just reach your hand from behind, and you can just pull it out. Reach your hand from behind, just pull it right out. These things are super brittle. And then it just unplugs. There we go. Let me go get the one I have from the parts car. Like I say, I am going to be getting a brand new one because, you know, they're so inexpensive. And when I do that, I'm going to replace the headlights as well while I have the headlights out. All right, I got the one from the parts car. And you plug it in, and then you reach your hand underneath and just kind of push it in there. You can remove the whole plastic housing that holds the headlight, but it's so easy to get to that, you know, it's really not necessary. You slap the headlight back on and see if everything works. Reinstall the 2 10mm bolts. Start the car and see if we can tell what temperature is outside. Alright, currently the outside temperature says it's 49 degrees. Next I have this other 2009 Chevy Cobalt that I got from the insurance auction. This one is due for a state patrol inspection December 13th, so in a few weeks. Added a thin layer of body filler and just added the glazing putty. I'm going to sand that down, paint it, and then this one should be ready for inspection. This car only has 58,000 miles on it. So that will be our next project we're going to be working on. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.